Maldives, a canvas woven with the unyielding spirit of its people, a testament to the sweat and determination of generations that built a nation and a legacy steeped in the resilience and fortitude of Maldivians. A legacy that must endure for generations to come. This is Velana International Airport, often perceived merely as an entry point to the country, but holds profound potential waiting to be unlocked. A vision that requires a leader of determination and foresight, one who can navigate constraints and challenges without compromising the nation's interests. His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Muizzu has transformed his vision to a blueprint for development, a detailed 20-year multi-billion-dollar investment that would craft an airport that embodies the values and essence of the proud Maldivian culture. The VIA of the future, designed to accommodate 25 million passengers a year, will energize the growth of the economy and deliver the country to and beyond the new economic frontiers. The new passenger terminal of the airport will accommodate 7 million passengers in its first phase of development and an astounding 25 million in the next 20 years, with the capacity to process 4,000 passengers an hour. Efficient and rapid movement of air cargo is essential to the country's economy and its vision for the future. The new cargo terminal at the airport will serve as the hub for quick and efficient clearance, transport and delivery of air cargo that drives the various industries and contribute to the livelihood of Maldivians and the growth of businesses that would emerge in the future. While a new fuel farm, which will be expanded from its existing 15 million litres to 100 million litres in the next 20 years, will cater to the expanded operations of the airport and maximize revenue, enhancing the commercial sustainability of the airport. A new MRO facility that will be developed concurrently will vastly expand the services offered at VIA, contribute to the commercial success of the airport, and help ensure the safety, airworthiness and operational efficiency of aircrafts operating out of VIA. The domestic terminal, with a footprint of 35,000 square meters, will enable servicing capacity of 2,000 passengers per hour from the existing capacity of 300. The adjoining low-cost carrier terminal will have the capacity to cater to 1,000 passengers per hour. A self-contained jet terminal is part of the new development. Being one of the most desired tourist destinations in the world, VIA is strategically positioned to serve niche market segments of the airline industry. Exploiting this market segment and investing in it is an essential part of the future airport infrastructure. The apron stands and apron parking spaces will also be expanded to cater to the envisaged passenger and airline traffic. In this bold vision of President Dr. Muizzu, the seaplane terminal and seaplane operations will be relocated to a separate island and will be linked to VIA passenger terminals via a new bridge and transport network. The epitome of this futuristic vision of the President is the development of a designated airport economic zone on the island of Funatu, linked to the rest of VIA with interconnecting bridges. The airport economic zone will offer a plethora of shopping opportunities and will house hotels, convention centers, and entertainment facilities. As we stand on the precipice of this new chapter in the development of the nation, let us honor the strength that brought us here. The resilience of the Maldivians, a beacon that should always be the guide, taking us forward into the future with speed and urgency. A vision that will be brought to reality by His Excellency President Dr. Muizzu, with his bold and far-sighted vision.